Good morning, it is Thursday morning and the sun is shining again, so it's beautiful weather outside. Really spring weather. Look at the beautiful flowers behind me, so pretty. I just wanted to show you two little packages that I received this morning. One of them is this one. It is from Paula's Choice. I've ordered it myself because in here is my favorite skin cleanser for a long time now. And you guys know that I can try a lot of new brands and products in the beauty segment because of lifestyle news and our beauty segment. But I always return to this one because this is just the best for my skin. So I thought I would share this with you guys. And this is it. It is the Paula's Choice Calm line. And I use the one for a normal to dry skin, but you also have one for oily skin. And it is just the very best. I have a very sensitive and dry skin. And yeah, it's just the best. It is also very affordable. So if you guys are looking for a very good skin cleanser for dry, oily or sensitive skin, I would really recommend this one. This is not sponsored. I just like this one the best for years now. So yeah, and this is also on the bottle. It says that it is non-irritating, fragrance-free, which is very important for sensitive skin, and it is never tested on animals, and I find that also very important. And then the package that would arrive this week, that I am very excited about. Also the reason why I went to the garden center the other day. The seeds that I'm going to plant in my kitchen garden this year. Very excited about that. So yeah, those four, and I also ordered a package with some little climbers because I don't have very much space on my balcony. But this one contains cucumber, climbing zucchini, tomato, bacon bean, snow peas and Romano pole beans. So keep you posted about that too. It is dinner time and I am going to make a delicious risotto for myself. I'm using this very special risotto rice for tonight. Then I have two types of mushrooms that go into the risotto. This one and this one. Onion, some vegetable stock, some parmesan, some Italian pancetta, some mascarpone, and this is the last time that I'm buying it in this form because, as you guys know, I bought a plant, so last time. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's start this process. We are starting with sauteing some onion. And 2 minutes after that I am adding the Italian pancetta. Okay, this is already looking very good. The pancetta has to be a little bit crunchy, and it is now. So I can add the risotto rice. And then you have to be very careful, you have to stay with it because you have to bake that for like 2 or 3 minutes until it gets a little bit glazy. So you really have to pay attention. The rice is in and it looks like this. And I will show you, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but when it's glazy. I don't think you can see it, but it is right like this. So now I'm going to add all the mushrooms, and as you can see, the mushrooms will become smaller in size, shrimp a little bit because of the heat. And now it is time to gradually add the bouillon that I made. So I'm going to add the bouillon soup spoon for soup spoon. So you do not just add all the bouillon that you made in one time, you gradually add that. So you add 1 or 2 spoons, then you wait until it's almost gone, and then you add another spoon or 2 until it's all finished. And you have to be very careful that it doesn't burn, so you have to stay with it. Already smells so delicious. It smells so good, guys, and I didn't even add the cheese yet. Okay, it's almost ready. I only have to add 2 more ingredients. The parmesan. Yeah. And the mascarpone, but I need 2 hands for that, so I will check you later. Okay, let's stir. And it's ready. Doesn't this look so good? The green topping is the Italian parsley. So I'm going to enjoy this very, very much. I think it smells perfect. So, finished. No, just kidding. It was a lot that I made, and I always do that because there are evenings that I don't like to cook because I'm very busy all day. And now I have 2 delicious meals all prepared. So I'm going to wait until this cools off. And then it's going in the freezer. Good morning, it is Friday and I just shot a nice picture outfit with this beautiful blouse. You have seen this before when I purchased it, but I really, really love it. The fit is perfect, the colors are perfect, and the print is just too funny. So that's what I did just now. Today is another very busy day, but a very fun day. The first thing I'm going to do today is going to the garden center to pick out a present for my auntie because it's her birthday today, 87 years old. So I'm going to check out the garden center and pick out a very nice present for her. Then I'm going to Amersfoort because I'm having after work drinks with Michael. And after that we are having dinner at a very nice restaurant in Amersfoort. Of course, I'm bringing the camera today to everything that I'm going to do, so you are going to see everything. But yeah, first let's go to the garden center. Okay, here we are again. We have a lot of choices to make. These baskets look very cute. There are also some bulbs in it, I see. Or these, blue. For if you like pink. So back home again, and the wrapping was kind of a disaster, as you could see, because they didn't have any transparent foil, so I just fixed it at home. I always have those things, so perfect. And I also picked up a Barolo for my brother. I think this one is really nice, so I hope he will be happy with this bottle. And I also have these cuties for my parents. And I didn't even show you the outfit of the day. So I'm wearing my new super cute blouse. Really love this one, with blue jeans and my brown boots and my belt, my earrings, and these glasses. So let's go. First stop. Good morning. There is snow. It was so sunny and warm. A fresh layer of snow. Pip does not particularly like the snow, but he's marching through. It's cold, right? Pippy. Well, although it is a very rainy day today, this is a very happy start of the day because my package just arrived from Zara and I picked out a lot of whites and a lot of pastels. So I'm really curious about how these items look in real life. I will make a separate video about this because I don't know if everyone will like to see this. But yeah, this fabric looks very nice already. And I'm always very drawn to buttons. So this already looks very nice. And these are the whites, but I also picked a little bit of color. A little bit of blue, a little bit of pink. So yeah, I'm going to unpack these.